If you're choosing between GrapheneOS and LineageOS, this isn't just custom ROM versus custom ROM. It's security-first design versus flexibility. So, which one actually has better privacy? Let's break it down. GrapheneOS is built specifically for privacy and security. It's hardened at the system level with features like improved sandboxing, exploit protection, and minimal data exposure by default. It removes Google services but lets you optionally run them in a sandbox environment, so they can't access the rest of your system. But here's the catch. Device support is limited, mainly to Google Pixel phones, and it's less customizable compared to other Android ROMs. It's designed for security first, not flexibility. LineageOS takes a different approach. It's the most popular custom Android ROM, supporting a wide range of devices with lots of customization options. You can remove bloatware and control permissions more than stock Android. The downside is that privacy depends heavily on how you configure it. By default, it doesn't include the same level of hardening or security enhancements as GrapheneOS, and many users still install Google Apps, which reduces privacy benefits. So the real difference is this. GrapheneOS is built for maximum privacy and security out of the box, while LineageOS is built for flexibility and device support. So which one is better? Choose GrapheneOS if your top priority is privacy, security, and minimizing data exposure with minimal setup. Choose LineageOS if you want customization, broader device support, and control over how your system is configured. Bottom line, GrapheneOS has better privacy by design, while LineageOS can be private with the right setup. But for most users focused on privacy, GrapheneOS is the stronger choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.